Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Windows 11 password using Command Prompt. This method is simple, fast, and works only if this is your own PC and you have administrator access. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. To check your exact username, type wumai and press. Enter the part after the backslash is your account name. To list all users, type netuser. To remove the password, type netuser username, double quote. Replace username with your account name. To set a new password, type netuser username newpassword. That's it! You've removed or reset your Windows 11 password using CMD. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips.